friends, welcome back to Bihar Voice. His name is Adwait. So, he's my little brother. He says anything. He know how to talk. He can be so smart. I know that. When he wants to do anything, so he can ask. That means he knows his own name. Look, what's your name? तुझे नाव काय आहे? He wants to stand, I think. Look, he's going there. Let it go. Okay, the topic is Indian states and capitals. Okay, let's discuss about the video. Because he wakes so early that I'm also not awake. A 6-year-old child can beat a 2-year-old child. He looks like just 1 year, but in reality, he's 2 years. Let's talk about the Indian states now. Okay, there will be quizzes against you. 29 states. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? It's Chennai. What is the capital of Gujarat? It's Gandhinagar. What is the capital of Ladakh? Right, it's Leh. What is the capital of Maharashtra? It's Mumbai. The capital where I live now. What is the capital of Kerala? It's Thiruvananthapuram. Okay. What is the capital of West Bengal? It's Kolkata. What is the capital of Assam? Dispur. What is the capital of Jammu Kashmir or Jammu and Kashmir? It is 2 capitals. One is Jammu and other is Srinagar. Jammu and Srinagar. I mean, if you're not Indian, I can say. If you're Indian, you don't know. Jammu means Jammu. Okay. What is the capital of Bihar? It's Patna. Or you can just relax. Okay. What is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? It's Shimla. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Amaravati. What is the capital of Odisha? Bhubaneswar. What is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. What is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. What is the capital of the whole village India? It's New Delhi or Delhi. Okay. If you want to subscribe, you can easily subscribe. So it's enough for today. Bye bye.